I hope we both know this is gonna take well over 4 hours to get back in. I gotta go with fucking Gennaro. I have to drive Gennaro there. Oh, we have an hour.
Anything, just lock the door and call it a day until you come back.
Dude, this fucking screw will not come out. Came out.
So what the fuck?
Broke my fucking armrest delete that I spent $0 on, that I didn't steal from the junkyard. Yeah, you're having a great time, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, well, this is the fun part. Oh my god, I'm dripping sweat. I'm dripping my water on everything. Okay, boys and girls, this is how you remove an armrest from the Mark IV GTI. Automatic GTI. It's not a GTI, it's a chunk. I hope I spill all this. Back seat. This is how my parts cars are. What are we missing?
This does pull out somehow. This piece pulls out. I can't remember how though. Oh, it slides back.
Does it slide? Did you get it?
No, I can't remember how it pulled out though. Like, it was weird. So you could lift it up.
Yeah,
sometime.
I know.
Dude, you're dripping your sweat all over the place.
Dude, this thing's junk. My assessment is it's junk. Don't pull that.
I didn't do anything.
We should upload this actually. I just need to get this fucking junk out. Oh my god. Dude, I don't know how to do this. I act like a Volkswagen tech, but
Hold this.
damn, look at them pedals. Add that to the collection back here.
This needs to come up. Now, how does it do that? You didn't even watch the video.
Fucking guacamole. Oh.
Oh, you pull that out, right?
I don't know. Oh, I broke the fucking...
Did you?
Yeah. Dude, I'm telling you, we're doing all this and it's not going to be the right part. Holy shit.
Want to remove your e-brake?
No, I'm good.
2 bolts.
I don't care. What is this?
Part of your old shifter.
You know what, we could see if it's the right part.
It looks like
It is the right part. Yeah, we're going to just bestow this to the street. Okay, I'm going to act like I know what I'm fucking doing. Oh, shit. And the reality of the motherfucker is, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I know that this needs to come off. I don't remember how. I don't think the fucking...
It goes very high.
Try to remove that one there. Remove that. Hey, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to make a kind of an ending to the video we started. It's almost winter now. It was like the middle of summer last time we were working on this. Got the Tiptronic part in. The magnet set inside ended up not working, so I'll have to either fix that or just leave it. So I can't use the plus and minus mode, but like an update too on the car because it was basically stock the last time I did a video talking about everything. I have the brushed aluminum covers from a GLI for the shifter. I have the grab handle from a 20th anniversary GTI. These are DIY. If you guys want a video talking about them, I could show you how to do that. Just sand them down. This one didn't come out as well, but you know, it's still not bad. The door pins, I don't know if you can see, we have the pedal covers too. It is an automatic GTI. I know not a lot of people like them, talk about them really. I have a New South Indigo boost kit with the brushed aluminum bezel on it. I have the Euro switch for the headlights. I like this mode. The Euro park lights are kind of nice. So that's nice. Lay flat vents from a Jetta. I got these at the junkyard for I think 16 bucks. I have a armrest delete from a GLI. parking brake from a 20th anniversary, and then I can go to the outside. I got started up for you guys too. I have one light on, which this is just the brake, that one, and then seat belt. But yeah, the engine light's on for the, I have a 3-inch catless downpipe, so it's throwing a code for bank 202 sensor, I think. Yeah, but just as far as the outside of the car, I have 38% tint all around. I traded the wheels for, I had Ariatas on the stock, now it's 17-inch along each wheels. I think they look a little bit better with Goodyear Eagle Sport all seasons. I have the smoked FER side marker lights, Depot bumper lights. The headlights I did with a glass lens because they were kind of shitty looking. This is the only defect right there, is the chrome starting to peel. Euro GTI front badge. Same thing on this side, lights. I have the APR wiper delete, which I actually really like. It makes the back of the car look a lot better. And then, as well as, I did the European back emblems too. I think they just, you know, look a little bit better. Mine were peeling, so it wasn't that big of a deal. I have a 2.5-inch catback by 42 Draft Designs. And then I'll pop the hood. I have the engine cover on for the winter, just so it's, I have a DFG tuning intake. Then underneath I have the APR R1 diverter valve with G-Club torsional grease pipe. I did these black, I think they look a little bit better. I will be changing these for 4-inch black ones, as well as, I have coil packs under there too, but I'm going to get these CS tuning ones because I think they're just a little bit separate in quality compared to what I have now. Yeah, that's basically it, but a little bit of a rev. Other than that, yeah, just kind of a stock car. I will be getting this, I'll make a video on it. I'm going to get the brushed aluminum one of these, along with the radio surround and the ashtray. It's got a nice sound to it. Then I have a RAM mount for my phone. Other than that, yeah, it's basically stock. I have plans for the future of maybe tuning it, but the Tiptronic is known to like slip and once you start putting power to it, so I don't know, maybe if you guys want, I've been debating keeping this car until after college and then maybe manual swapping it. With that comes a lot of extra work to get everything working properly. Headliner's next on the list. As you see, it's got that classic Volkswagen sag, kind of looks shitty. And then along with the seats, these are the sport bucket seats. I don't know what they're technically called, the Volkswagen sport seats. These are stock with a lot of GTIs. I will be trying to switch these out for a set of either GTI or GLI Recaro seats, just for a little bit better bolstering and just really add to everything. And as far as other plans for the car, I'll be doing a turbo inlet pipe by Forge too, and then the Forge silicone boost pipes, ECS coil packs, and as far as that, that'll probably be it by the end of winter, and then wait till next year. You guys can let me know if there's anything else you guys would like to see. Yeah, I don't know. Peace out, guys.